Hi friends, you are welcome in Aerotech India. Today we will demonstrate a new project, that is electronic voting machine. So as you can see here, let's explain the components used. This is RFID reader, this is Arduino 16x2 LCD and buttons here. This is fingerprint scanner. So here is the battery system, that is charging module and switch. So let's demonstrate this project. So from here you have to turn on this project. When you will on it, it will display the name of your project here, and firstly it will ask for scanning the card, voter card. This is the tag which is registered to the particular user. So you have to scan here, and the user related to this card, his fingerprint will be registered. Okay, after scanning the card, user will come and the biometric verifications will be there. So he has to verify with the finger. Okay, after the verification of finger, this project will ask to vote the parties. You can see here, this is the party 1, party 2, party 3 and result switch. So here this is the respectively switches to relate to the party and result. Okay, so let's demonstrate this with card number 1. So user here, he will scan, and after the scanning of card, it will ask here to please verify with finger. So the user related to card 1, he need to verify with the finger. Okay, so here let's user will verify with the finger. After successful verification of finger, display will ask you for person 1, please vote for parties. So here 4 switches are provided here. So you have to choose the party from the switch. Let's user will vote the party 2. So here you can see party 2, user has voted to the party 2. Suppose the user 1, he's again he's come back to the vote again, means he's trying to make a fake vote. Suppose the card will be scanned again. Here you can see, if the same card will be scanned, it will display you person 1 already voted. Let's demonstrate again. So here it will display you person 1 already voted. Okay, so actually I have made this project for 5 users. So here you can see we have 5 cards. So one more functionality is here. Suppose any user is trying to make a fake vote, so he will bring the tag of another user. Okay, if he is trying to verify with the finger, then it will detect like invalid user detected. Let's demonstrate it. Suppose user scanned the card. Suppose the user related to this card is not present, another user is trying to make a fake vote. So let's see here what happened. So it will ask to verify with the finger. So here you can see, if any fake person came here to make a fake vote, it will indicate you invalid user detected, as you can see. So to avoid this condition, so you can actually consider to outcome this problem, there will be a voting in charge. He need to verify his this condition with his finger. Okay, another option is he can press this result button to outcome this condition. Okay, so let's demonstrate with another voting in charge finger. So here voting in charge will come and verify with his finger. Okay, so here you can see the verification with voting in charge has been done. So it will exit from this condition. So basically this project, you can consider any fake person will not be able to make any fake vote. So after completion of the voting system, if you want to see the result, so here you need to press the result button. So let me show you. If you will press the result button, it will display you the voting results. You can see here. So you will be able to see here the parties has got the voting. You can see from here. Okay, so to outcome this to exit this condition, you need to press it again.